Don't talk about it, Mitch. Oh, fuck. Don't know.
I wouldn't say these are the best plows in the world, but they do the trick. I only just pinned him.
Could get the first one on the board. She's done the damage.
Custom crafted. Here we go. There's our first one for the day. We've slogged it out. We had a little buff earlier this morning at about 10 o'clock. We had a real good solid fish swirl underneath surface lure. But I just changed to a hard body, and I reckon about 3 logs in and got this nice 60. He'd be 60. We're not going to measure him, but he's a beautiful fish out of the Bidgee. Been a while since we fished the Bidgee. The Bidgee's looking unreal, but that is a healthy fish. Absolutely annihilated that lure. Under that branch and everything. The reason why he's got so popular is because so many people can relate to him.
Yeah, can bank fish.
Like, yeah, bank fishing and shit like that. People just relate.
Go fuck if he can do it, I can do it.
Yeah.
He does, it's probably a good thing. He does shows people like that you can do it. Like you don't actually have to have a boat to fucking catch fish off.
Yeah. Yep. Oh, he's pulling.
Oh, he's pulling.
He's half, just either pulling or he's half handy. He's come out deep.
He's showing all the right signs, Condell.
He's fucking, I don't know. He's handy. He's proper handy.
It's alright.
Yes! Yes!
Yes, Mitchell!
Oh!
Yes, Mitchell!
Fucking on his hand!
Yeah!
Oh. Look at the size of that tail, man.
Oh, it's not even gonna go 80. No way.
70. That is 79 centimetres. That is too big to be a 79 centimetre fish. The head on that, the gut on him. Oh, only 79.
Oh no, that's a good fish,
You're kidding.
That's a good fish.
Get him back in the net, get him in for a drink, and we'll do some photos, I reckon.
Yep.
There's a better look at him. It's a better look at that fish. Didn't go even 80. He's 79. That's by far the biggest bodied 79 I've seen. Like, it is ridiculous. The head and the mouth on that fish. And the tail. Fuck, that is a thumping big tail. But we're going to let him go. We've got photos and videos. Ow!
Oh! Yeah. got nothing, man. You betcha it is.
What the road?
You betcha. No, shallow in there.
Yeah, no, just hands not here. But that log there is probably what there. What the hell was that?
What the hell even is that?
I wanted that to go so much further back.
What the hell even is that?
Daddy chill. What the hell even is that? Could be on the backside of the log, even though they're not on the backside ever. You know.
Is it yours, front? Oh, yep. Oh, oh, fuck. I don't think he's big.
What do you want me to do?
Go forwards.
Go on, dude.
He's coming out himself. Oh.
He's peeling.
Oh, yep. Could be a good one.
I can see him. He's on this other side of the stick.
Might have to go around that way.
There he is down there. He's a good fish, bro.
That's a big one, bruz.
Holy shit. How do we do this?
Just go back to him and just net him. I'll just try and free spool him. Fuck, bruz.
Sort of hard.
He's like under the log, eh? Oh, that's a fucking big one, bro.
How do you fucking...
Try to get under him.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Oh, no. That's not gonna work. Where's that log?
No, I just need to sit sideways on this log.
I'll see if I can just give him a bit of slack. Because he's sort of deep there. He's sort of gone.
Can you wind up?
Oh, I can. There he is. I've got the front. There he is. Don't want to fucking drift over him, but
I know I don't want to.
I'll see if I... There he is.
Got him! He's hungry! Oh, get the fucking fish!
Oh no!
You've still got him, you've still got the fucking handle!
Oh, fuck.
Wait for him to pull up. Fuck, I'm freaking.
You did a make show.
Look at this.
Where's his fucking log that I can get off? Here he comes.
Which way is he going?
I don't know. There he's there.
Fuck, I nearly cooped that, but I can't do anything.
Oh, I gotta get
He's
you.
over here, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, there he is down there. Can you get him up?
Nah.
We're going up with him.
There he is.
You wanna-
Try to get the tail. Try to go from tail end. Try to go right down. Keep going down. Oh, fuck. Fuck, he's swimming forwards. Just go out this way.
Which way?
Go forwards.
Try on.
Oh no. He's got me bricked up now, I think.
You still feeling?
Don't know, he's got me bricked.
The fucking motor's cool.
I think he's gone, eh?
No, you can't. He's going to still be on.
You gotta keep going forwards,
I
eh?
can't, but I'm caught on the motor
Oh.
up here.
What do we
The
do?
only thing we can do is get the pole down on your line just there and try and free it. I don't know if he's still there, eh?
Nah, he's not giving anything now.
Grab that fucking pole. I would have had him if that pole didn't bend, eh?
He got me around that log, I think. He powered forwards.
thought you were off then.
So this is what's stuck.
Are you off now?
No. Oh, yep.
No, that's me.
Oh,
I think you're off now, aren't you?
no, still on it. Oh, I'm off net. Oh, something popped. Can't get up? Nah, I don't. There we go, we're off now.
No, we're not.
They're off,
Oh,
the,
well, yeah.
off the log now. No, he's definitely gone. He's wrapped me around that log down there.
Fuck, he was a meter.
Yeah, it was,
Every bit of it, eh?
yeah.
Fucking stupid fucking net. Look at the fucking bend in it.
I know.
I couldn't do anything either. I was fucking under him just enough, but
See if you can whack that pole
I
down there.
can't do anything. I'm trying to get you. Like the boats. Just
Yeah, I'll do it.
Oh, fucking bullshit. Fucking net. The miracle is we still got him.
I don't know what the fuck on there. I think that's been lured just there, right?
Where?
Just on the end of that log.
Oh, I can see it.
Is that it?
Yeah, I think so. We see the orange.
Oh, there he is. There's the cod. It's still on, bro. It's still on. It's dead set still on. He's gone off. Right. Oh no. We're gonna have to try and net him like that, eh? There he is. That's yeah, there you go. Oh no, let him go. Just try. Put it under his nose now.
I'm under that log.
Oh, we're gonna do something. Oh fuck. Oh no, I'm around the motor. Oh.
I couldn't do anything then.
Yeah, I know.
I was under the log.
Yeah, I know. Well, he still must be there. He's still there.
Yeah, I know. I'm just waiting for him to pop back up again. I don't
Do you-
want to move the boat anywhere.
Do you want to take the rod and I'll fucking stand out the back of the net in case he comes back up again?
Yeah.
Reckon?
Well, I'm stuck on that fucking stick again, part.
Yeah. Oh, he's still there. I'm just stuck on that fucking stick, eh?
That was our best opportunity then, but he just tucked his head away again.
Yeah.
Try and knock it off that stick again.
Look at that. Whew, wasn't that a debacle? Had him stuck under a log. He had us all wrapped up with the line. What did we take, about 10,
15 minutes. Yeah.
Oh, just trying to get him out. Just got the retriever pole under the line.
Hand lined him.
Hand-lined him straight into the net. That's elite. Look at the guts on him.
93.
That is a healthy, healthy fish.
You would pass that as a meter any day, McGreasy.
Oh, I know. Look at the guts.
Look
on
at the
him.
head on this thing. Oh.
Look at it. Yeah, bloody hell.
Alright, we'll put him in for another drink.
Yep. Righto,
Yep.
just got a couple quick snaps of this big fella. So pleased he turned up. We missed one this morning off the top. Quite a big fella too. So this one just showing up right now has made the trip for sure. Such a beautiful fish. All that work we put in to get him out of that snag over there. Had the line wrapped up around that log. And yeah, all that effort was worth it for this big fella.
Turn him head on. Give him a oh, look at the size of that head. That's a big head.
It's grouse.
Righto.
Such a special fish. Such a special fish.
Time to let him go, I reckon.
Hello, big girl. Biting down. Yeah.
Fucking.
How good is that?
Fucking amazing.
We've done it.
Done the damage.
Look at the colour on it. I had full belief in it too, and it has done the goods for me. It's seen a few days, that's for sure, but
Seen a few fish.
my word, it has.
Turned out to be a cracking session.
My word.
Cracking session. What's that number? Number 3.
Number 3, yeah. What was it? 60.
A 60, a 79, and a 93.
93. How good's that?
And they've been fat, healthy fish.
They are proper healthy fish in here. It's actually really good to see how good of a nick they are. Not a mark on them, no red dots on them or nothing. It's yeah, this fishery is quite healthy at the moment.
Absolutely.
How good is it?
And this is the lowest that the Bidgee has been in about 5 years.
Yeah.
At least 5 years.
Oh, I haven't fished it this low for many years.
Yeah, and then the spot that we're in, recently about a month back, a 122, a 117 and a 133 got pulled out of this sort of area. So, and they were all ridiculously fat and healthy fish. So,
oh, yeah. Not a mark on them.
not a mark on them. You can just, like, they've just survived the high water levels and fed up really well.
It's done them good, I reckon.
Absolutely.
It's done them good.
I reckon we go and get another one. What do you reckon?
My word. Let's get on the hunt. Fuck you. Oh, that's how they're gonna help me? Oh, fuck me. Help me. Oh, yep. Oh, he's only just pinned, eh? Is that Lord slingshot out at ya? Woohoo!